Hello.
Hello?
Yes, a pleasant good day. My name is Mike Anderson, contacting you from the Million Sweepstakes and Lottery Company.
Excuse me, Mike. Mike, why are you calling on a Jamaican number? Where in Jamaica are you from, Mike?
Oh, well, you seems like you're Jamaican.
Yes, that's why I asked you where in Jamaica you from.
Okay, I'm from Mabay.
Where in Mabay?
Yeah, that's in Mount Salem. You familiar with there?
That's in Mount Salem.
Yeah.
Okay, what business you doing that's in Mount Salem?
What business I do right here?
Yeah.
I operate a lottery company from home.
Okay, you do a company from home. So
That's
these
correct.
are the Jamaican number that you guys scammer do. Get these numbers to do your scamming call. Use Jamaican number. When you're using Jamaican number to make your calls to make your scamming, be careful because you cannot call a Jamaican to do scamming. Because I am a Jamaican and I know my code. I know when somebody is from Jamaican that's trying to communicate with me and what you're trying to communicate with me. So I know it. So you don't call me and tell me that I win anything because I didn't do anything in Jamaica.
Listen, I don't scam Jamaicans, okay? I scam U.S. citizens. I don't steal from my nationalities, okay?
You are not from Jamaican. You are not a Jamaican. You're not a Jamaican.
I'm a Jamaican.
Where
I won't change my.
You're a Jamaican? Where in Jamaica you born? Which hospital? What's the name of the hospital?
In Cornwall Regional Hospital at Montego Bay, Mount Salem. I was born there.
You was born there? And you don't and you don't have a Jamaican. How long now you are in the United States?
I'm not in the United States.
So you are in Jamaica and speaking like this? Can't you hear my can you hear my language? How I talk? So talk like me. Talk in patois. If you're born in Jamaica, talk in patois.
No, I don't want to side of me right now.
Yeah, talking in patois. Talking in patois. Wait, what kind of business you do down there? Talk in patois. Answer me back in patois.
No. I won't talk in patois because I don't.
Because you cannot speak in patois because you're not from Jamaica.
Jamaica, where I come from and in a real life.
Okay, so why you try to speak like somebody nice?
I am someone nice, of course.
Yeah,
yes, indeed.
Yes, but where you call me and I say no? Where you say now? Where you say you call me about?
No. Things because before I don't say I'm Jamaican, I'm not bad at scammer. Read me, I'm keep you.
Okay, because you can't scam me, youth. My youth, I'm not the real link, you know, youth.
Eh?
Me a real link. So when me hear nobody call me from Jamaica and I try to come with them little speech to scam. I've been there and I've done that, my youth. So talk to me like Jamaican, man. Me love how you talk now like Jamaican. I say you can't scam me. Me love that. You can't scam me, you. They're in the street and out the street, out and bad.
Yeah, I know a road code.
Me know the road code. What me say?
Yeah.
So me love how you talk to me now. You talk to me like me. No call me and can't talk to me like you're a foreigner.
But I know me alone call. I know me alone call you.
No, only for them call me, but when they call me, I saw me give it to them. When they call me, I saw me give it to them, you know, so them have to give me back when me give them. So me give them patois, them have to give me back patois.
Right.
Because me a road woman when me there Jamaica. So me know a road.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
So which part of Jamaica I come from?
Spanish Town, youth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing. Spanish Town, man.
Aye. So you see the same link where you have a Spanish Town? I see them link me up too. So you have to be careful when you approach people. Because me link not normal.
All right, they say the man.
Aye. So me love how you talk to me now. Now call me and give me that language there, youth. Anyway, do your thing. Now do it with me. See me I say?
All right, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Everything large.
All right, up more.
Yeah.